Time to take a look at the EZARC quick release impact adapter set. Okay, so that does have a foam insert on it, so we can take that guy and throw it in our toolbox. I do like that red on black look, and it looks like a carbon fiber look there on the front. We are labeled on here, so in the event that we pull one of these out, we're going to know exactly what is expected to be put back. So this is a 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch adapter, which is something that is very rare, but in the event that you need the leverage of a 1/2 inch ratchet with a 1/4 inch bit, this is going to be the tool that you want to use for that. We also have 3/8 and 1/4 inch, and we have a 1/4 inch impact adapter right here. So this will allow us to chuck into our impact driver. We can see we got that red ring right there, so that'll be good for absorbing impact. And then we have our 1/4 inch chuck here on the end. So the great thing about something like this, we can take our ratchet, drop this adapter on there, then we can carry this thing around with it, and we'll be able to attack pretty much any socket head bolt that we come across. So if I need a 6mm, we can just chuck that up. Then we have a 6mm hex ratchet. So you can do a lot of stuff with a compact set just like this, all because of one simple adapter that's in this kit. Very handy little kit. It is kind of nice having that color on there too, so we actually got something that we can grab and spin. Cool. So overall, that is a very useful adapter set.